This is for Mr. and Miss Monica. We got a 200 amp main panel. Biggest breaker is going to be a 40 for the AC. Got your electric meter unlocked. So from the back of the house, we got our gas and our AC systems over here. Gas is a 425. It's already been upgraded. And for the ACs, they're a little hard to show. And then the other one, so from the ACs, the unit will be going right back over here. So we're going to have our 3x5 foot pad right here in this little flower bed, 3 feet off the side fence, and it's 14.5 foot off the back fence. Their survey showed no easement, but we got plenty of distance from there. The only thing to think about is the pool equipment, which is on the other side. So here's the pool equipment.